Hey guys, I'm gonna just say I just like completely walked up to a total stranger whose name I don't even know.
Leslie.
Hi Leslie, I'm gonna show you. My name's Sally. But I saw this adorable, look at this adorable teardrop.
It's called a Vestibule.
It's Vestibule. Oh, Vestibule. I love
Yes.
it. Love it. So check this out. Look at this cute little Berkey. That's adorable. That's the, what do they call that one? Is that the sport size or
Yeah,
something?
something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, because I've got the travel Berkey.
Yeah. No, that one I have at home.
Yeah, which is cool.
Yeah.
So look at this setup. I mean, I love the wood, and the windscreens on the sides are just really awesome.
So it's kind of a mess, so I apologize.
Yeah, well, we're not looking at that part.
Under here, you have, this is also where the water, you can turn it between city and tank.
Uh-huh.
There's a little knob down there with all the water hoses.
And you've got a 9-gallon freshwater tank.
9-gallon fresh water, 9-gallon gray water.
Nice.
This has a
look at this.
pull-out. You can use do a regular cooler, or it also has a plug for a 12-volt.
Very cool.
So I have a 12-volt. Let's make sure it's plugged in. Yes. Refrigerator.
Very nice. And I know that the insulated covers really help a lot.
Yeah. Now when you buy it from Vestibule, they offer you the Dometic, but I got mine re-owned. Mm-hmm. And the people I got it from didn't have a 12-volt. They didn't get that.
Oh,
option.
okay.
So I went searching, and I actually found that the IceCo fits, and it came with the insulated.
Yeah, and the IceCo's got a great reputation.
Yeah, it really does. And then there are drawers here.
Oh, look at this.
So I have all of my cooking.
And one of the things I want you guys to notice, I'm going to show you from the side here, this is all curved.
Yes.
So we're not talking straight sides here.
Nope.
And they made the cabinets fit perfectly, and the drawers fit perfectly, and it looks very high end.
I have
Two burner stove. Awesome. So you've got propane on board too.
I do. It's in the front.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see that as we go around. And then this is where I
look
put
at
my
that.
silverware. There
Very,
is
very
a
cool.
place for wine bottles, but I don't drink, so I put other stuff in there.
Perfect. Perfect.
And there's storage
There's
there.
a ton of storage.
Ton of storage.
I never would have thought.
And then there's a pass-through here.
Oh.
So one of the things, point your camera up, see this window here.
Oh, yeah.
When this is down and you're towing, you can see all the way through.
Nice.
So you don't have peripheral, but you can
Right.
tell if someone's behind you.
Yeah.
And when you're in bad weather and you want to quickly get some food, I put it in the pass-through. And come look at this.
Let's check this out, guys. And thank you so much, Leslie. I normally
This happens all the time.
I normally
This
don't ask
happens
if I
all
can
the
film
time.
30 seconds after I haven't even introduced myself, but I bet it does, because it is absolutely adorable.
I didn't drop it? What the heck? Come on. Oh, there it goes.
I'll edit that part.
Okay, so it normally comes with so you've got side tables.
Uh-huh.
It normally
One on each side.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a queen size bed.
Okay.
It normally comes with an IKEA futon bed mattress.
Mm-hmm.
And it's queen, and it goes into couch mode, just like a futon does.
Right, gotcha.
You can get the option to split it. Mine wasn't that way. I had somebody do it for me. If you do that, they ask you to get your own mattresses.
Gotcha.
Not a big deal though. Not expensive either. But it has storage underneath.
Very cool.
Okay. There's also underneath here.
That's nice.
So I put my shoes there. Uh-oh. What did I do? Oh, I know what I did.
There you go.
And then this is actually a shade.
Oh, look at that.
And then you've got these here.
Very nice.
And then these portholes.
And they're also
actually
screened.
have covers.
And they're screened.
And everything is screened.
Nice.
Now, the only thing that this one doesn't have that some other brands like this will have is they don't have a method to create a screening door.
Ah.
So if you're like, if we're at a camp and it's like buggy, you can't have your doors open.
Gotcha.
But there's a fan.
Yeah, and you've got decent sized windows.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. There's a fan. I actually have an air conditioner.
Nice.
Behind the couch.
Wow.
And the unique thing about this design are these little side vents.
Right.
So if you have those side vents open like that, rain doesn't come in. It allows the airflow, and if you get the fan pulling out, you get no moisture in here.
Awesome. Yeah, and that's tough because in a smaller space, keeping the moisture out can be really, really difficult.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Really difficult. What year is this?
This one was built in 2018. I purchased it re-owned in 2021. The two that you see further down, those are much more current. So you'll notice also that they're higher. When this was being built, they actually had a regular model like this, and then they had an off-road.
Gotcha.
And I think it was so popular with the off-road that they stopped with this. So the counter height is higher. You've got more clearance. You've got a storage box. You have the option of doing a bike rack here.
Right.
I will never do that because if I need my bike, I want it on my car. I don't want it here. So
well, plus what I have found is when you put it on the towed vehicle, it gets dirtier than if it's on the back of the car.
Oh yeah, I didn't even consider that.
Yeah.
And so the propane is here.
Gotcha. Very nice.
And then the jack. And I have to tell you, as a female trying to do this by myself, super easy.
Well, it's a nice big wheel, and it looks like a pretty beefy jack, so easy to operate too.
Yeah, the whole thing is just easy to manage.
Very
Completely
nice.
Easy.
So is this your first RV as a solo?
Yeah, and it's the only thing I've ever towed.
Nice.
I've never towed before.
Nice.
So, and it's really simple.
Very, very nice. Now, where are you from, Leslie?
From outside Philadelphia.
Okay, cool. So PA. And for those of you who haven't been keeping track, let me show you the sand. We're down at Assateague Island State Park, and it's been absolutely wonderful here. I know you've been here a couple of days too, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, are you traveling with the other folks in the?
We met up here.
Okay.
But
cool.
we all know each other.
Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. Anything else that you? Oh, you've got a nice awning.
Yeah. So they no longer allow this because it doesn't really take any weight.
Right.
So they don't do this. They now actually provide, if you want the option, you can get a Keter rail and an awning that they provide. This came with it, and unfortunately I don't really use it because I can't roll it back in by myself.
Gotcha.
The people I bought it from, it was a couple, so.
Yeah. Yeah, and couples never think about what it's like to do things as a solo.
Well, they never have to.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
But you know what? You know what else? As solos, we don't ever have the arguments about backing into the space.
Please don't even get me started on that one.
It's crazy, isn't it? Hey, I want to thank you so much for letting me do this, Leslie. I really appreciate it, especially so impromptu. And I hope you guys got something out of this video. I know that you did. Leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and let us know what you think of Leslie's Vestibule. See you next time.